Una don dey hear of genotype before? Shey I know, and I still know say many of una dey wey dey watch me now wey no know wetin una genotype be. Many of una still dey wey no know how to go about am to take know wetin your genotype be. Okay, genotype na im be that gene wey dey inside person body. Na wetin we dey inherit from papa and mama. And genotype the way e be, papa go bring 50%, mama go bring 50%, na e go form 100% of the pikin genotype. As I be like this, so my mama give me 50% for my genotype, my papa give me 50%. My 3 children too, dem get 50% from me, 50% from their papa. So na im take form their genotype. Genotype dey inheritable, like you dey take am from your both parents. So different types of genotype na im dey, different types, but the most common one wey we dey see for laboratory na im be AA, AS, SS and AC. Yes, those na the one wey we dey mostly dey see. At least once in a week you go see AC for laboratory, but the other AA, AS and SS, that one dey common pass AC. Then AC too common pass every other type wey we no go discuss for this video. Now before you marry, to prevent katakata for you and your pikin wey you wan born, e good make you know your genotype. Yes, e good make you know your genotype. This genotype wey we dey talk so no be test wey you go use million take do. No, for Nigeria now, with less than 5k you fit do your genotype, you fit know your genotype. But even at that, say money wey you take do am no big, e no mean say the test no be ogbonge test. Knowing your genotype, e go save you from many katakata. When you reach sickle cell center now for different states, you see small children wey be say they dey experience katakata, they dey experience wahala because say their mama and their papa no know their genotype before they do twelve come go born them. Okay, make I break am down for you. Let's say you be AA, brother John na AA. He come marry sister Blessing wey be AA too. That means AA plus AA. Make we see the kind children wey dem fit born. All their children go be AA, even though say na 1 million children na im dem born. So AA and AA, they are good to go. They go fit marry. Now make we look another example. Let's say brother John na AA, as we dey talk just now. Brother John na AA. He come marry sister Blessing wey be AS, AA plus AS. Make we see their possibility, if e dey okay for them to do 12 born pikin. Now AA plus AA go give us AA, AS, AA, AS. That means they good to go to marry. So brother John wey be AA go fit marry sister Blessing wey be AS. If they wan even born any pikin with S at all, the pikin go be AS. They no go fit born any SS. Another example wey we go look na, let's say brother John and sister Blessing na AS. AS plus AS. May we see the possibility of children when they go fit born. They will get AA, they will get AS, they will get AS again, and they will get SS. So this combination like this, so AS plus AS, e possible say all the children una go get will be AA. E possible say all the children una go get go be AS. E possible say all the children una go get go be SS. But dem no dey risk am. No risk am say make I try if pikin wey I go get, when I go born, go be AA or go be AS. No, dem no dey risk am. So na make am dey advise, we dey advise say if you be AS, e no good make you do 12 with who be AS too, because possibility dey say na fit born pikin wey be SS. So the combination e no work. Another combination wey we go talk about na say AS plus SS. I believe say if you don dey understand wetin I dey talk, you go know say this combination e no good make dem do twelve born pikin. So as plus ss now dem go born as ss. Now the chances sef for this combination to take born ss pikin e high pass the as plus as own, so e no dey advisable for these two combination to marry do twelve come born pikin. Another combination na say you be aa come marry ss. Make we see am how this one e go be. So you go born as. This combination e dey very okay. So if you be brother John wey you dey watch me, so you be aa and you dey eye sister Blessing, but she be ss, and you say you like am, you love her, you want make you marry am, go ahead, e dey okay. Yes, go ahead, e dey okay. So make we list out all the combination wey we don talk about today. See am, aa plus aa good to go, aa plus as good to go, aa plus ss good to go, as plus as it is not advisable, as plus as it is not advisable, as plus ss it is not advisable, ss plus ss it is not advisable. When we dey talk say it is not advisable, you know say dem dey talk am say you fit force horse go river, force am drag am go river, but you no fit come force am make e drink water. You fit push am put for inside the water, but for am to come drink and swallow that water na the horse decision say e wan swallow. So na we dey say advisable. We go only advise say okay o, una no dey fit to do twelve come born pikin, or una dey fit. The final decision depends on una. But before una make that final decision, I want make una know say prevention better pass hospital katakata. Prevention e better pass hospital katakata, because when you turn deaf ear come go do twelve with person wey you no suppose do with, come born pikin wey get that ss, so na big issue e dey be for family. E dey cause a lot of katakata for family. So before you say I do, before you say I do, make sure say you don check your genotype. Make sure say you don know your genotype. I know say that they say love is blind, but not let love blind you go reach where genotype dey. Yes, not let love blind you go reach where genotype dey, because who no go no know. So if una get any question regarding this topic so we just discuss, make una drop am for comment. I go try my best to take answer as much as possible wey we go fit take answer. Una bye bye.